In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Sheets. If you've ever removed a spreadsheet and had that instant uh-oh moment, don't worry. Google Sheets files live in Google Drive, and when you delete one, it isn't gone right away. It's moved to your Drive trash, where you can restore it with just a couple of clicks. Here's how. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. From there, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. I'm pointing you here first because it helps to remember that Sheets is just an app that stores its files in Drive. When a spreadsheet is deleted from here, it's simply relocated to the trash area in your Google Drive. For this walkthrough, imagine we just deleted a spreadsheet. After that deletion, head over to Google Drive. You can open it from the same grid icon or by visiting Drive directly. Once Drive loads, look to the sidebar on the left and click Trash. This is the holding area where recently deleted items wait before they're permanently removed. Inside Trash, find the spreadsheet you want back. If you have many items, you can change the view or sort by the date deleted to make it easier to spot. When you see the file, right-click it to open the context menu, then choose Restore. That's it. Drive will place the spreadsheet back in its original folder, and it will show up again in Google Sheets and anywhere else it was referenced. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account that owned or had access to the file, since each account has its own drive and trash. If the file lived in a shared drive or was owned by someone else, you might need the right permissions to restore it. Also, trash does not keep items forever. By default, files are purged after a limited time, so it's best to act as soon as you notice the deletion. Once restored, it will reappear in Google Sheets. Consider moving it to a clearly labeled folder so it's easier to find in the future. And that's the full recovery process. Open Google, launch Sheets. Remember that deleted sheets go to Drive, open Drive, go to Trash, right-click the file, and click Restore. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.